Top 3 robotic lawn mowers. Husqvarna Automower, 450XH and its competitors.
Robotic lawn mowers have revolutionized yard care by offering convenience, efficiency, and precision. Among the top models, the Husqvarna Automower 450XH stands out, but how does it compare to its competitors? This video delves into the features, pros, and cons of the Husqvarna Automower 450XH, the Worx Landroid WR155, and the Gardena SILENO Plus, giving you a comprehensive look at these leading products. The Husqvarna Automower 450XH is a high-end robotic mower designed for large and complex lawns. Coverage: handles up to 1.25 acres. Cutting height: adjustable up to 3.6 inches. Navigation: GPS-assisted mapping and obstacle detection.
Smart connectivity: app control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. Weatherproof: operates in all weather conditions. Advanced navigation: GPS-assisted navigation ensures efficient coverage, even for lawns with complex layouts. Large coverage area: with the ability to cover up to 1.25 acres, it's ideal for big lawns. Quiet operation: at just 58 dB, it's one of the quietest robotic mowers on the market. Smart features: app-based controls and voice assistant compatibility make it user-friendly. Durability: weatherproof design allows uninterrupted operation, even in rain. Price: at over $3,000, it's a significant investment. Complex setup: installing the boundary wire can be time-consuming. Replacement costs: spare parts like blades can be expensive. The Worx Landroid WR155 offers a more affordable alternative, balancing performance and price. Coverage: manages up to 0.5 acres. Cutting height: adjustable between 1.6 to 3.9 inches. Navigation: AI-based navigation with app control. Customizable: includes modular accessories like anti-collision sensors. Affordable: costs significantly less than the Husqvarna Automower. Customizable: add-on modules allow you to tailor the mower to your needs. Smart integration: compatible with Wi-Fi and app-based controls. Ease of use: intuitive setup and operation, making it accessible for first-time users. Cut-to-edge technology: ensures precise trimming along edges and boundaries. Limited coverage: suitable for smaller lawns up to 0.5 acres. Battery life: may require frequent recharges for larger areas. Not ideal for complex yards. Struggles with intricate layouts and steep slopes. The Gardena SILENO Plus is a reliable choice for medium-sized lawns, known for its quiet operation and efficiency. Coverage: supports up to 0.75 acres. Cutting height: adjustable from 0.8 to 2.4 inches. Navigation: sensor cut system for precise mowing. Quiet operation: operates at only 58 dB. Ultra quiet: one of the quietest mowers available, perfect for noise-sensitive areas. Efficient mowing: the sensor cut system ensures even coverage without leaving streaks. All-weather operation: works effectively in wet conditions. Compact design: ideal for tight spaces and smaller lawns. Affordable maintenance: replacement parts are reasonably priced compared to competitors. Limited cutting height: maximum cutting height of 2.4 inches may not suit all grass types. Moderate coverage: falls short for lawns larger than 0.75 acres. Less smart integration: lacks advanced smart features like GPS mapping. Husqvarna Automower 450XH Gardena SILENO Plus. Top 3 robotic lawn mowers. Husqvarna Automower 450XH and its competitors. 1.25 acres, 0.75 acres. Up to 3.6 inches, 0.8 to 2.4 inches vertical bar. GPS, app, Alexa basic app. Control vertical bar. 58 dB vertical bar. Top 3 robotic lawn mowers. Husqvarna Automower 450XH and its competitors.
Choose the Husqvarna Automower 450XH if you have a large, complex lawn and prioritize advanced technology and coverage. Opt for the Worx Landroid WR155 if you're on a budget and have a smaller lawn that doesn't require extensive features. Pick the Gardena SILENO Plus if you want a reliable, quiet, and efficient mower for a medium-sized lawn. Product links are down below. Thank you for watching.